Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here. Welcome to this video. So today I'll talk about how to make it really easy for people to buy so that they will actually proceed to buy products from your Shopify store. So if you don't know who I am yet, my name is Lars. I've built my own e-commerce store, Nancy Home Store, to around $9 million in sales. And now I'm helping other e-commerce entrepreneurs to essentially do the same thing. And I'm today in the beautiful Lima on a nice location here recording this video for you. So how can you make it way easier for people to buy? And the answer to this is to have many contact options displayed very prominently on your website. Because if you think about it, we with e-commerce typically are always counting on people coming on our website, adding to cart, and buying straight away. But sometimes this is too fast of an approach for some people. I mean that some people would like to speak to somebody before they make a purchase, but most Shopify stores don't make it that easy for people to contact them. So what I always recommend for e-commerce store owners to do is to have, first of all, a very prominent live chat, which also has like this little pop-up that says that you can chat with us here and that we are live. And ideally also with a smiling picture of a person right in the screen, so it becomes even more enticing for people to send us a live chat. Then also having many different call buttons and display your phone number in your header, in your footer, near the add to cart button, in some other places, basically encouraging people to give us a call. Also, what we can do is add a callback request button, because some people, they don't want to call us up because they feel like they might be having to wait in a queue, but they do want to speak with somebody, so they prefer to leave us a callback request. So that's another amazing thing we can add, and that always leads to more sales. Typically, of those leads, we call them, so callback requests, live chats, phone calls, we typically are able to close 1/3. So if you don't close 1/3 of your leads, then you'll need to work on your sales skills. But if you just have those elements in place, you should be able to close a lot of orders out of these leads. And one exception here is that if you sell very low ticket products, then it might actually not be needed to add this, because it's such a low commitment for people to buy. Let's say your average order value is $50, then I wouldn't bother speaking with people on the phone or live chatting with them regarding their purchase. Then I would remove all the contact options, honestly, remove the friction, and just make people buy directly from your website. But if your average order value is anything like 150, $200 and above, then 100% you need to have prominent contact options, or you're leaving a lot of sales on the table. If you're having like a high average order value to $200 or above, and all your sales are coming directly through your website, and almost or nothing is coming from live chats, calls, etc., then you're missing out on sales. There's definitely potential sales that you are missing right now, because people are not able to contact you, or they're not aware that they're able to contact you. So be sure to add those different contact options for people to contact you. Fill your whole product page with them, especially if you sell very high ticket. If you sell like average order value like above 1,000, then you 100% need this. The higher average order value your store has, the more you need those contact options. So if you don't have them yet, then definitely work on this. It'll make you money instantly. And let me know if you implement it and it works, because it will most likely do very good. So thank you for your attention. That was all for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will respond to you myself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.